How to change format in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora to edit your photos or videos and now wondering on how to change the format of them, don't worry, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app. Just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now to change the format, tap on the video timeline track right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find crop option at the bottom. Now select it. Then to change the format, you can choose from one of these sizes just right here. Now choose one just like this. Or you can simply do it in a freestyle. Now tap onto the corners right here and simply change the format just like this. Now choose one and tap onto the check mark. And now you can see the size of the video has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change format in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.